You are probably wasting money buying face serums that you don't actually need. Some of the newest face creams already contain niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, peptide, ceramides, and even brightening and lightening ingredients all in one jar. So today I will show you the ones that are worth buying. But don't skip number 5 and number 6 because those two are probably the most underrated on this list, but they are very, very effective and they give a plump, flawless skin. Now, do we actually need face serums? Well, the answer is a yes and no because not everyone needs a face serum. If your face moisturizer already contains effective concentrations of active ingredients that your skin needs and your skin concern is not severe, you can honestly keep your face routine, your body routine very, very simple. You don't need all the face serums, you don't need all of those things. All you need is just one good face cream that has the effective concentration of the active ingredients that you know that your skin needs. Now, today's video is for people who do not like complicated skincare routine, for beginners who are looking for very good products that will be good for their skin, for people who have limited budgets, also for people who hate layering multiple products on their face, and lastly for people who just want healthy, bright, yummy, flawless skin. Now, the face creams we are talking about today, they are face creams that have effective concentrations of active ingredients. That is, each ingredient they contain, they have the effective concentration of it. For example, if a particular face cream has Centella, it has a high effective concentration of Centella. If a particular face cream has hyaluronic acid, it has a high concentration of hyaluronic acid. Do you understand? So that is why these face creams can actually replace your multitude of face serums because they have high concentration of effective active skincare ingredients that will deliver value, deliver results to your skin. Okay, so these are not your regular face creams. Now, the first one on my list is the Beauty of Joseon Dynasty Cream. Now, this particular one has 3 active ingredients. It has ginseng essence, it has rice bran water, and then it has niacinamide. I like this particular product because it has deep hydration, like it deeply hydrates your skin without feeling heavy. Everybody that has used it, it exceeds their expectation. Now, this one is good for people with sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin, irritated skin, you can use this, and this is absolutely amazing for people that have matured skin. Like you are beginning to see wrinkles, fine lines on your eyes, on your, between your nose and your lips, like you're beginning to have those smile lines. This one is very, very good because it has ginseng essence, like it has it in great quantity. Remember what I told you from the beginning of the video. Every face cream I tell you here have their active ingredients in high effective concentration. Do you understand? So this particular one is deeply, deeply hydrating to the skin. It helps to shrink pores. It gives you that glowing skin. If you know Beauty of Joseon brand, you know that anything that comes from them is very, very good. This their Dynasty Cream is so amazing. You can try it out. Okay, now the number 2 on my list is for people looking for intense moisturization. Our number 1 dealt with hydration, but this number 2 is intense moisturization. You need to know the difference. Okay, and that is the Mary and May Idebenone Blackberry Intense Cream. Now this one is very moisturizing. It is also skin firming. If you are looking for a cream, a face cream that is going to firm up your skin, give you that anti-aging effect, give you that plump skin, a face cream that will plump your skin overnight. This face cream, you can use it in the morning, you can use it in the night, but remember, it is a very moisturizing cream. So if you know that your face is on the oily side and you are someone that wears makeup in the morning, I would suggest you use this one in the night. When you use it in the night and wake up, you are going to get that smoothing, facelift, skin plumping, skin firming effect better than when you use it in the morning. Do you understand? So this one is very, very good. The active ingredients, Idebenone Blackberry Complex 63%. It has 63% blackberry complex. It has 5 different types of ceramides. It has 5 different types of hyaluronic acid, and then it has niacinamide. So can you see that this is a superpower face cream. Do you understand? So normally you would have your ceramide face serum, hyaluronic acid face serum, niacinamide face serum, and just a regular face cream. But this face cream has all of this in high concentrations, just in one jar. Like this video right now if you have not, because the best of the best of the best face creams are still on the way coming. Now the third on my list is for people that have skin damage. You used a particular product and it's over exfoliated your face. Do you understand? And you're having redness, you are having itching on your face, like you just feel like your skin barrier is damaged. You need a skin repair cream. This one is my first option for you. I have another one also that is also very good when it comes to skin repair, but this one is also very, very good. And that is why Panthenol 10 Skin Smoothing Shield Cream. This particular one is very, very gentle. It is good for sensitive skin. It is good for irritated skin. It is good for skin damage because it helps to heal and strengthen your skin barrier. If you are one of those people that use lightening face cream, let's say you don't have skin damage yet, your skin barrier is intact, but you are using a lightening cream, this is the type of face cream you should be using because it has skin barrier repairing protecting ingredients in them. The active ingredients it has is 10% panthenol. Panthenol is very, very good when it comes to healing, when it comes to protection of skin barrier. So this is basically what this one also does. Also, a lot of people use this as hand cream because it helps to soften the hands. It just helps to keep wrinkles, dryness away because it's also very hydrating and moisturizing to the skin. Do you understand? So this is very, very good. I will recommend this specifically for people that have skin damage or people that are trying to protect their skin barrier from getting damaged. Now, the fourth one on my list is for people that are looking for face creams that are going to give them a dewy finish. You have a dry skin, a dull skin. You need a face cream that when you apply it, like immediately you apply it, it's just going to like turn on the light on your face. It's going to give your face that boost, that dewy, beautiful finish. And my number 4 is for you, and that is the COSRX Balancium Comfort Ceramide Cream. Now, this is a face cream that is going to, just like the name implies, comfort. Is going to help to protect your face and also illuminate your face. It has 1% ceramide in it and 50% Centella asiatica leaf extract. This is one of the products that I've seen that has 50% of Centella extract. A lot of products, you don't even see how many percentage it contains. It just says Centella extract. But this has 50%. Which is going to tell you that this particular product is loaded with antioxidants, is loaded with leaf extracts that are going to protect your skin, heal your skin, give you anti-aging benefits, and also just plump your skin. So as I said, this particular one, I will recommend it for people that want a dewy finish because it gives a dewy, not like it's oily or something, but you just apply it on your face and it gives you that lift. So I'm going to be recommending this one for people that have dull skin, cranky skin, dry skin, like your face is not just giving, and you're not someone that usually wears makeup in the morning. Go for this one. You can also get it for the night if you're someone that just wants to try out the product because it contains 50% Centella leaf extract. You can get this one, use it in the night if you don't find it very suitable for your morning routine because maybe you wear makeup and all of those things. So this is very, very good. A little goes a long way. So in as much as it looks small, it is going to last you a very, very long time. Okay. Now, number 5 on my list is one of my favorites, and that is the one I told you that gives a flawless, smooth skin. This particular one I will recommend for people that use tretinoin. If you know you are on your tretinoin journey and you are looking for a face cream that is going to protect your skin, is going to prevent that tretinoin dryness, tretinoin irritation. You have been trying a lot of lotions and they've not been working, go for this one. Or you're just looking for a face cream you're going to use and it's going to give you that flawless face, go for this one. But before I tell you the cream, if you're seeing it for the first time, I am Beautiful Jenny, a passionate skincare consultant who is here to make sure that you get a very good skin on a budget and use the right products, because a lot of you are wasting money buying products that are not meant for your skin type. And that is why I have a personal skin consultation service on WhatsApp. If you want to talk to me personally to help you to recommend products for you based on your skin type, based on your skin concerns, help you to form a routine that is going to give you the result that you want. Okay, you can hit me up on the number on the screen for a one-on-one skin consultation and product recommendation service. Thank you for watching till this point. You are the real MVP. Now, the product I'm talking about is the Haruharu Wonder Black Rice 5 Ceramide Moisturizing Cream. Now, anything Haruharu Wonder, their products are nice, but the brand is not so popular. It's a brand that people mostly buy by mistake, or maybe watch random videos like this and say haru haru and they buy it and they love it. It is a product that if you buy, you must repurchase it. It is so good. It is so gentle on the skin, like very gentle. Just like I said initially, it's something that if you're having skin irritation, like for example tretinoin is drying out your skin, it's causing you redness, it is that product that you can use and you are going to be rest assured that it's going to give you that calming effect. It is going to smoothen out your skin, and you can use it with basically every active you are using. It is so good. Like this particular product, any website you see it, it has 5 stars. All reviews about this particular product, 5-star review on all websites, this particular product. So that's why I told you that my number 5 and my number 6, they are T. Now the 6th one on my list is for people that are acne prone. You know you have acne prone skin, you know you have rosacea, you know that you have sensitive irritated skin. You know there is a difference between sensitive skin and sensitive irritated skin. You need to be very careful, like double check every product that you are using. So this particular product or face cream is a face cream I will recommend for you if you have these skin issues that I just mentioned. The product I'm talking about is the Dr. Althea 345 Relief Cream and Mist Dew. Now this particular product has been popular for a while, but a lot of people are using this product for the wrong reasons. Like recently, a lot of you that have been coming to me for consultation, almost all of you have this product and you buy it for the total wrong reasons. Do you understand? You buy it for the total wrong reasons. This particular cream, this one I'm telling you is not the normal tube. This one comes in a pack. If you are buying from Amazon, you will get it. But normally, I think it's the normal cream you buy. So whichever one, whether you get the cream, the tube alone, or you buy this deal I'm talking about, they are all good. Do you understand? But this face cream is mainly for people that are acne prone. Okay, it is going to help to control your acne. It is going to help to clear out your skin. Not clear out your skin as in brightening or do some magic. No, that's not what the cream for. It is a relief cream. It is a gentle cream. That's why people that have rosacea can use it. There are some people that when they enter the sun, because they are very fair, when they get into the sun, they turn red. Not because they use the whitening cream or a lightening cream. That's just how their skin is. Those are the kind of people that these types of cream or this particular cream is for. So it has gentle, calming, soothing ingredients in it, but a lot of you buy it for brightening. A lot of you buy it for glow. That's not what it's for. Okay, it is good for oily skin, it is good for dry skin, it is basically good for all skin types that have the skin issue that I just mentioned. So you need to know the products to buy based on your skin type, based on your skin issues. Okay, some people will buy this cream and say it's not very moisturizing. You are not buying it for the moisturizing thing or for hydration. You are buying it to come and suit your skin, to relieve your skin of the situation, either the acne or the rosacea or the sensitive skin that you are having. It's not for hydration and moisturization. If that's what you're looking for, I have mentioned those ones for you. So you need to know what the product actually delivers before you buy it. So that's why I am specifying for each product, so you are going to know the one to get. Okay, number 7 on my list, which is actually the last one and one of my favorites also. If you are looking for a jelly moisturizer, that is, you have oily skin, you have acne prone skin, you hardly get a face cream that will not break you out. Do you understand? This one is for you. And that is the Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Soothing Cream. This cream is a cream that if you buy it, the next time you want to repurchase, you might buy 2 of it because you never want to run out of this product. This product is amazing. It is super calming to the skin. It is super moisturizing and hydrating to the skin. It is good for acne prone. It is good for rosacea also. 4 different types of ceramides, and it is pH balanced. Okay, so one thing with people that are really acne prone, you know, there are some people that their acne proneness is so severe. If you are one of those people, one thing you need to be looking out for while buying a face product especially is buy a product that is pH balanced. A lot of products are pH balanced, but they do not specify it. Buy the ones that they specified, so that you are even going to convince your face and yourself that this product is pH balanced and it has no reason to react on my skin. So this particular product is written, stated pH balanced. So it is good, it is soothing, it is calming, it is gently brightening to the skin. Okay, so this is the last one on my list, and trust me, any of these products you get and you love minimalist skincare, you don't want to use face serums, you can absolutely use any of these products without a face serum. But let me tell you something. If you know that your case is severe, you have severe melasma, you have severe skin damage, like you have severe skin issues, you might just need an extra active ingredient in form of serum, in form of another product, toner, whatever, you know, to target your skin condition. Remember, from the beginning of this video, I said that these recommendations, or this using these face creams without an additional product, are for people without severe skin issues. Do you understand? But when it comes to skin damage like skin irritation, trust me, you can use any of these products. But when you have maybe melasma, as I mentioned, severe hyperpigmentation, then you need more products. So thank you for watching. I'll see you on any of these videos right here, or on WhatsApp for those of you that will come for personal skin recommendation. Bye.